I'm Kate Ward, and this is a Dickman Farms quick tip. So, we have this little thing. It's called a quick sketch. And you can do it here in the garden center if you have a problem spot at home, or not even a problem spot, a spot that you just want to beautify. Here we are, say this is your house. What do we need to help you? We need a few things. We need you to go out, we need you to measure. You can do it in multiple ways. You can do this, a thing, you can do this, assuming you have a 1 foot, and figure out how big is that space that I want them to do something with. Then we're going to draw it out. Now don't worry if you're not a Picasso, no problem. So draw it and say, this is 12 feet, this is 6 feet, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't have to be to scale, we don't care. Just need to know how big it is. And tell me, is the sun in your face on this side or is it over there? So we want to know direction, north, south, east, west. Last thing you got to do, bring me a picture. Snap, snap, picture. We can look at this, we'll put it in the shade so we can see, but we can do it. Then what do? Then we find some stuff you love. So Kate, here's my space, no problem. Little shady, hey, I got a hydrangea. Maybe we could plant it here and be grown up. Oh, want a little more color? We can do something like this. Keep going, and then you can dress up a corner that fast. We're gonna sketch it out real fast, and we know what fits for you. You've chosen and told us what you like. It's that simple. Come see us, 5-10 minutes, you're in, you're out, you're happy. Bye-bye.